Yo, what's up, YouTube? How you guys doing? Hope you guys are good. Hope you guys are living right. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. If you're new around here, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on that notification bell. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back to this video. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So in this video, I will be talking about ChatGPT. Now, if you guys have never heard about ChatGPT, you should probably be living under a rock or something, because this is, a certain kind of AI that's literally taking over the planet right now. If you just type in ChatGPT on YouTube, there are like 1,000 videos about this right now. Now, I heard about ChatGPT in November when it was released, and started testing it, or rather trying it, last year in December. Now, what is ChatGPT? Now, ChatGPT, ladies and gentlemen, is basically short for Generative Pre-training Transformer. Now, this is a certain type of AI language processing that was developed by OpenAI. It's capable of so many things, including summarization, text generation, and so much. Ladies and gentlemen, this is literally the future of Google. That's what I call ChatGPT. So I will be showing you guys how you can use ChatGPT on your cell phone, and I'll be talking about the different benefits that you can take advantage of when you have ChatGPT. Because you see, the way I'm looking at it personally is that it is the next Google, first of all, but it's more like Google 3.0 because it can do so much. Imagine, you could literally even create a trading bot using ChatGPT. Just a simple script. You basically write down a simple script, and then it will generate the code and create a trading bot. So it can be used in so many different sectors, such as consultation, programming, coding. There's just so much that this application can do. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you sign up and also how you can use it. So first thing you do is use your Chrome browser. Use your Chrome browser, preferably Chrome browser. When you go to Google, type OpenAI, openai.com. Okay, now once you type openai.com, you come to where it says OpenAI. So the second thing that you're going to have to do when you go to openai.com/sign up, you have to sign up and create an account with OpenAI. So for example, let's try to create, I have already created an account, so I'm going to use this account for illustration purposes. Okay. Then after this stage, you basically need to verify your email. So let me just verify my email. OpenAI, verify my email. So once I've verified my email, I'll basically first name, I'll say Sampa, last name, continue. Then I'll have to put my phone number, and I would have to receive a code from my cell phone in order for me to actually generate. All right, so guys, as you guys can see, I signed up with this number twice. So it's saying because this number, such and such, whatever. So after this, I basically press continue. Okay. So now go for exploring for personal use. Once you have signed in, you can basically go back to your Chrome browser and type in openai.com/chat. Okay. Now, when we're here, ladies and gentlemen, this is how ChatGPT actually works. Let's try to ask it a question. Let's say create a commission agreement that lets me Let me keep 3% of any property sold, any property I sell. Okay, so this is just basically a question that I've asked ChatGPT. So once you ask it the question, it's going to basically give you an answer. It will lay out all the different, it's going to basically lay out the variation of the commission agreement and everything that you actually need to implement. So as you guys can see, if let's suppose you're a real estate agent that has no idea how to create such, a commission letter or an agreement, you basically just ask ChatGPT and it's going to basically do everything for you. That's how crazy this application is. So first and foremost, you just basically need to sign in, and it just basically keeps stating all the different kinds of things you will need. As you guys can see, this is insane. This is literally insane. It literally lays out the commission agreement for property. It lays out the commission agreement for property just like that. Now, it doesn't matter what you ask it. Literally, it doesn't matter what you ask it, because there are different variations of ChatGPT where when you get an upgrade of the application, an upgrade of ChatGPT can do even more crazier things. An upgrade of ChatGPT can literally do even more crazier things. Literally crazy things. It can literally help me create a YouTube video. It can help me script a YouTube video. It can help me with so much. Literally anything in your mind that you don't have an answer to on how to actually do, you can just basically ask ChatGPT and the whole layout will be brought down for you. So this is how you use ChatGPT, ladies and gentlemen. I was just giving a simple illustration of a commission agreement for property. In our next videos, we're going to be seeing, or rather, I'll be showing you guys the much more advanced ways in how you can actually use ChatGPT to your advantage, and also how you can make money with it. Because trust me, there are endless opportunities once you are using ChatGPT. With that being said, thank you so much for coming back to the channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on that notification bell. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.